At Renishaw, we recognise that within the rapidly evolving manufacturing environment, Microsoft Windows-based controls for machine tools are becoming more commonplace. We are committed to developing a range of mobile and on-machine apps for our customers, which make using, configuring, installing and maintaining our systems even easier. Set and Inspect is a simple, intuitive, on-machine probing app for customers who require an easy-to-use probing solution. Whether you're using the app for tool setting or workpiece setup and inspection, the app will automatically generate the programming moves you need. Inspection results are immediately available to view on screen, displaying nominal, actual and deviation values. The new Program Builder mode within the app allows users to advance and create complex probing cycles in minutes, generating them one feature at a time. Reporting is a complementary app designed to view component measurement data in a quick and easy way. It can tell you whether your part has passed or failed inspection, and in some cases, warn you before failure occurs. You can also monitor inspection over time, and the displayed measurement trends can assist in determining machine tool productivity or troubleshooting problems. Renishaw's on-machine apps offer easy-to-use solutions for increasing your productivity and minimising your cycle time. With over 40 years of breakthrough innovation, Renishaw is committed to continued investment in product development and manufacturing methods. Come and visit us at EMO Hanover 2017 to learn more about our innovative products.